Welcome to DMP Training Center. I am Justin Norris. Today I want to introduce you to our new SR3 Bluetooth reader. Our new Bluetooth reader allows you to use proximity credentials as well as our new DMP mobile credentials. It's very easy to set up through the Tech app and virtual keypad, and I'm going to take you through that process now. When you've installed the reader for the first time, you'll notice that the LED color on the reader is yellow, indicating that it has not been programmed into a system yet. So I've already logged into the Tech app and I'm going to search for the panel that this is connected to. So I'm connected the reader to Taco Shack. So now you can see we're connected to Taco Shack. We're going to click Bluetooth reader. And now we're going to hit the plus down in the bottom right. We name the reader. Press create. It indicates to touch the device to the reader to begin the connection. So the reader has beeped to indicate that it has successfully connected to our system. In the Tech app, front door has been added. Now that we've enrolled the reader in the Tech app, you can see right here that it says front door. And then also on the LED of the reader, you'll notice that is a solid white. Now that we've enrolled the reader to the system, we go ahead and select the reader, which in this case is front door. It will connect to the reader. And now we have the options of adjusting the read range as well as pushing new firmware updates to the reader. You just click the slider to adjust either closer or further distance, whatever the preference of the customer is. The closer indicates 3 inches, the further indicates up to 30 feet. Now that we're done, we just tap save, and it will push configuration changes to the reader.
Thanks, Justin. Now that the reader has been enrolled with the Tech app, you can purchase credentials in Dealer Admin. Let's take a look at how to do that now. From the home page of Dealer Admin, select Tools in the menu, then select Mobile Credentials. From here, you can purchase credentials for your customer. In the Customer field, you can select a customer or search for their name. I'll select J&S Management Company. In the Quantity field, enter in the number of credentials you wish to purchase. I'll do 5. In the Notes field, you can add any notes about this purchase or a PO number. I'll put in a note here. Now, click Purchase Credentials. Dealer Admin will purchase the credentials for your customer. In the History section below, you can see the history for all credentials that have been purchased. You can see the date and the customer they were purchased for, the number of credentials purchased in the total, who purchased them, and the notes for that purchase. At any time, you can click Export to export this list as a PDF or a CSV. Now that credentials have been purchased in Dealer Admin, they can be issued to a user in Virtual Keypad. Justin, show us how that works.
Let's go over to Virtual Keypad and show you how to assign a mobile credential to a user. So I'm just going to enter my code to get into the panel. We're going to tap the menu button, go to Users, and we're going to create a user just like you normally would. Now we're going to add Matt Smith. Select a profile. We're going to select Matt Smith down below. We're going to select the type. Select mobile as the credential. Go back. We're going to add his email. Select OK. We're going to select Matt as a mobile credential only because we just want him only to have a mobile credential in his phone. Select Save, and now this will automatically send the user code to the panel just like you're used to today. So now that Matt has a mobile credential, he's going to go ahead and log in to the Virtual Keypad app. He's going to tap the menu button, select Mobile Credentials, and from here you can see he has a mobile credential ready to be linked to his phone. He's going to press the link button, and now the credential is linked to the phone and ready to be presented to a reader for access. Now when Matt comes up to the reader, he can keep his phone in his pocket, he can scan his hand right up near the reader will begin looking for his credential, and now the reader will turn green indicating an access granted. For more information on the DMP SR3 Bluetooth reader, go to dmp.com, and thank you for joining me today.